In this video, I will show you how to use your EBT card on Uber Eats. In order to do that, head over right here to your account option, and then you should be able to see it right here. So what we can do next is we can just scroll down, and in here you can see all of these options. So what we can do is we can go right here to the manage Uber account, and then this will load. It will show up your account info, privacy and data, and a lot more. Now in here, what you can do is you can head over and then just go to your wallet. And on this wallet, you just need to add a payment method, which is your EBT on this case. Just click on this add payment method. And in here, we can see this EBT snap. So click on this right here. And then from this one, just enter your card number. So you'll be able to use your EBT card to pay for any SNAP eligible items. Take note that EBT SNAP is the only one that's already been added onto the Uber Eats. So that's how you use your EBT card on Uber Eats. I hope this video helped you out.